Hello, incredible health enthusiasts and wellness seekers. It's wonderful to connect with you today. Have you ever stopped to think about how much of your life is spent working? It's a staggering number, often around 90,000 hours over a lifetime. That's a huge chunk of our precious time, and it often leaves us feeling busy, overwhelmed, and perhaps a little disconnected from our own well-being. We all want to live a vibrant, energetic life, but finding the time and energy for health can feel like an uphill battle. But what if I told you that achieving a healthier, more fulfilling life doesn't require a complete overhaul or hours of extra effort? What if it could be as simple as integrating a few powerful habits into your daily routine? Today, we're going to explore 5 incredibly simple yet profoundly impactful habits. These aren't about perfection, they're about progress, consistency, and making small, sustainable changes that add up to a healthier, happier you. These habits are designed to fit seamlessly into even the busiest schedules. They are the foundational pillars upon which a truly healthy life is built. Let's dive in and discover how these simple shifts can transform your well-being. Our first habit is perhaps the most fundamental, yet often overlooked: proper hydration. Think of water as the lifeblood of your body, essential for virtually every single bodily function. It's not just about quenching thirst, it's about optimizing your internal systems. Water plays a critical role in digestion, helping your body break down food and absorb vital nutrients. It's crucial for nutrient transportation, ensuring that vitamins, minerals, and oxygen reach every cell in your body. Proper hydration also aids in detoxification, flushing out waste products and toxins that can accumulate and make you feel sluggish. Beyond these internal processes, water is a key player in maintaining healthy skin, giving it that natural glow and elasticity. It lubricates your joints, allowing for smoother movement and reducing stiffness. Even your brain function relies heavily on adequate hydration, impacting your focus, mood, and cognitive performance. So, how much water should you aim for? A general guideline is at least 8 glasses of water daily, but this can vary based on your activity level, climate, and individual needs. If you're exercising or spending time in a hot environment, your body will naturally require more. A fantastic actionable tip is to make water your constant companion. Carry a reusable water bottle with you wherever you go, to work, to the gym, even just around the house. This simple act serves as a constant visual reminder to sip throughout the day. To make hydration more appealing, try infusing your water with natural flavors. Slices of lemon, cucumber, mint, or berries can transform plain water into a refreshing and delicious beverage. This small addition can make a big difference in your willingness to drink more. Another helpful strategy is to set reminders on your phone or use a hydration tracking app. Sometimes, we just get caught up in our day and forget to drink. A gentle nudge can be all it takes to keep you on track. Start your day with a large glass of water before anything else. This kickstarts your metabolism and rehydrates your body after hours of sleep. Remember, consistent hydration is a simple yet powerful step towards feeling more energized and vibrant every single day. Our second habit is all about embracing movement. Our bodies are designed to move, not to be sedentary. Incorporating daily physical activity is not just about burning calories, it's about boosting your mood, strengthening your heart, and managing your weight effectively. The goal is to aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise on most days of the week. This doesn't mean you need to become a marathon runner or spend hours in the gym. Moderate intensity means you can talk, but you can't sing. The benefits of daily movement are extensive. Regular physical activity significantly strengthens your cardiovascular system, reducing your risk of heart disease. It helps build and maintain strong bones and muscles, improving your balance and reducing the risk of falls as you age. Beyond the physical, movement is a powerful antidote to stress and a natural mood booster. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, which have mood-lifting effects and can help alleviate feelings of anxiety and depression. It's a fantastic way to clear your head and re-energize. The key to making movement a sustainable habit is to find an activity you genuinely enjoy. If it feels like a chore, you're less likely to stick with it. Do you love being outdoors? A brisk walk in nature or cycling might be perfect. Perhaps you enjoy the rhythm of music? Dancing is a fantastic way to get your heart rate up and have fun. If you prefer something more mindful, yoga or Pilates can improve your flexibility, strength, and mental focus. Even small changes can make a big difference. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, park further away from your destination, or incorporate short walking breaks throughout your workday. These micro movements add up over time. Consider incorporating a variety of activities to keep things interesting and work different muscle groups. Mix in some strength training with cardio, and don't forget flexibility exercises. Listen to your body and find what feels good for you. Remember, consistency trumps intensity. A daily 30-minute walk is far more beneficial than an intense workout once a week. Make movement a joyful part of your day, a celebration of what your body can do, and watch your energy and mood soar. Our third habit focuses on what we put into our bodies, nourishing ourselves with whole foods. Food is fuel, and the quality of that fuel directly impacts your energy levels, mood, and overall health. Whole foods are those that are unprocessed or minimally processed, retaining their natural nutrients. Think of vibrant fruits, crisp vegetables, lean proteins, and wholesome grains. These foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants that your body needs to thrive. They provide sustained energy, help you feel fuller for longer, and support optimal bodily functions. The focus here is on abundance and variety, rather than restriction. Instead of thinking about what you can't have, shift your mindset to what incredible, nutrient-dense foods you can add to your plate. Embrace the natural goodness that comes from the earth. A crucial actionable tip is to limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive saturated fats. These items often contain empty calories, artificial ingredients, and can contribute to energy crashes, inflammation, and long-term health issues. Small steps, like swapping sugary sodas for water or choosing whole grain bread, can make a significant impact. Another powerful tip is to visualize your plate as a rainbow. Different colors in fruits and vegetables often indicate different types of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Aim for a diverse array of colors on your plate to ensure you're getting a wide spectrum of nutrients. For example, dark leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in vitamins K and A. Bright berries offer powerful antioxidants. Orange vegetables like carrots and sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene. Eating a rainbow ensures comprehensive nutrition. Meal planning and preparation can be incredibly helpful in making healthy eating a consistent habit. Dedicate some time each week to plan your meals and perhaps do some batch cooking. This reduces the temptation to grab unhealthy options when you're busy or tired. When you shop, try to stick to the perimeter of the grocery store, where fresh produce, lean meats, and dairy are typically located. The inner aisles often house more processed and packaged foods. Reading food labels is also a valuable skill to understand what you're truly consuming. Remember, this isn't about perfection, it's about making conscious choices most of the time. Allow yourself flexibility and enjoy your food. When you nourish your body with whole, real foods, you'll feel the difference in your energy, clarity, and overall vitality. Our fourth habit is often the first thing we sacrifice in our busy lives, prioritizing sleep. Yet, quality sleep is absolutely non-negotiable for your physical and mental health. It's during sleep that your body repairs itself, rejuvenates, and consolidates memories. The goal is to aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. This isn't just about the quantity of sleep, but also the quality. Deep, uninterrupted sleep allows your body to perform essential restorative processes. During sleep, your muscles repair, your hormones regulate, and your brain clears out waste products. It's crucial for immune function, helping your body fight off illness. Lack of sleep can lead to decreased cognitive function, irritability, increased stress, and a weakened immune system. An essential actionable tip is to create a relaxing bedtime routine. This signals to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for rest. This routine could include a warm bath, reading a book, listening to calming music, or practicing gentle stretching. Equally important is to avoid screens at least an hour before bed. The blue light emitted from phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. Opt for a physical book instead of scrolling through social media. Another critical tip is to ensure your bedroom is a sanctuary for sleep. Make it dark, quiet, and cool. Darkness helps with melatonin production, quiet minimizes disturbances, and a cool temperature, around 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, is optimal for sleep. Consider investing in blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine if external factors are disrupting your sleep. A comfortable mattress and pillows also play a significant role in the quality of your rest. Try to go to bed and wake up at roughly the same time each day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, also known as your circadian rhythm. Consistency is key for establishing a healthy sleep pattern. If you struggle with falling asleep, consider incorporating mindfulness or deep breathing exercises into your bedtime routine. Focusing on your breath can help calm a racing mind and prepare your body for rest. Remember, sleep is not a luxury, it's a biological necessity. Prioritizing quality sleep is one of the most powerful things you can do for your energy, mood, productivity, and long-term health. Give your body the rest it deserves. Our fifth and final habit is about managing stress effectively. In today's fast-paced world, stress is an unavoidable part of life. However, chronic stress can have profoundly negative impacts on your physical and mental health, affecting everything from your immune system to your digestion. It's not about eliminating stress entirely, which is often impossible, but rather about developing healthy coping mechanisms. Learning to manage stress allows you to respond to challenges more effectively, maintain your well-being, and prevent burnout. Chronic stress can manifest in various ways: headaches, digestive issues, fatigue, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. It can also contribute to more serious health problems over time. That's why having tools to navigate stress is so vital. An excellent actionable tip is to find healthy coping mechanisms that resonate with you. What helps you unwind, de-stress, and feel more centered? This will be unique for everyone, so explore different options. Meditation and deep breathing exercises are incredibly powerful tools for stress reduction. Even just a few minutes of focused breathing can activate your body's relaxation response, lowering your heart rate and calming your nervous system. There are many guided meditations available that can help you get started. Spending time in nature is another fantastic way to reduce stress. Whether it's a walk in a park, sitting by a lake, or simply tending to a garden, connecting with the natural world can be incredibly grounding and restorative. Engaging in hobbies you love can also be a wonderful stress reliever. Whether it's painting, playing an instrument, cooking, or crafting, dedicating time to activities that bring you joy can provide a much-needed mental break and a sense of accomplishment. Self-care is not selfish, it's essential. This could involve taking a warm bath, listening to your favorite music, journaling, or simply enjoying a quiet cup of tea. These small acts of kindness towards yourself can significantly reduce stress levels. Consider setting healthy boundaries in your life, both personally and professionally. Learning to say no when you're feeling overwhelmed can prevent additional stress. Prioritize your tasks and delegate when possible. Remember, managing stress is an ongoing practice, not a one-time fix. Be patient and compassionate with yourself as you explore what works best for you. By actively managing stress, you empower yourself to live a more balanced, peaceful, and healthy life. So there you have it, 5 simple yet incredibly powerful habits that can transform your health and well-being. Hydrate, move your body daily, nourish yourself with whole foods, prioritize sleep, and manage stress. These habits are not about perfection, they are about consistency and progress. Start small, choose one habit to focus on first, and gradually integrate the others into your routine. Every small step you take is a victory. Imagine the cumulative effect of consistently applying these habits over time. More energy, better mood, stronger immunity, clearer thinking, and a deeper sense of well-being. This isn't just about living longer, it's about living better, with more vitality and joy. You have the power to create a healthier, happier life, one simple habit at a time. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and remember that your health is your greatest wealth. Thank you for joining me today on this journey towards a healthier you. I encourage you to pick one habit to focus on this week and see the positive changes unfold. You've got this.